Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place a business on Google Maps. If you own a business or want to help someone get their shop listed on Google Maps, placing it correctly is key to online visibility and customer traffic. Google Maps listing can drive footfall, increase credibility, and help customers easily locate your business. Now let's walk through how to place a business on Google Maps the right way. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to go to Google Maps or Google Business Profile. To do that, on your web browser, type in the search bar maps.google.com and the website is gonna appear. You can also go to Google Business Profile, search for Google Business Profile, and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now the second step is to use the add a missing place on Google Maps. As you do that, just click the hamburger menu on the top left. This is the one right here, looks like a hamburger. Click on it, and after you click on it, it's usually in the top left corner. Select add a missing place. Let's look for this option right here. It's this one beneath the print option, as you can see here. Now the third step is to fill in business details like name, category, for example restaurant, salon or bookstore, etc. And you can also add addresses and phone number and a website if you have any, and hours of operation if you're owning a business. And for the fourth step, add photos, which is optional but recommended. Upload clear images of the storefront or services to increase approach chances. As for the fifth step, submit for review. Now Google will verify your submission. You may be asked to complete verification via postcard, phone or email. And that's it. Listing your business on Google Maps boosts visibility, builds trust and helps attract new customers. Whether you're launching a new venture or helping a local shop get discovered, it's a powerful step towards online growth. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.